Hi guys, welcome to another episode of the Dow John channel. My name's John, and today we're going to be looking at last night's trading session as well as Bitcoin. So to start things off, I'm going to talk about Lucid. I'm not sure if you watched my previous video. I did say that I was expecting a close of under $40. Now I wasn't expecting an over 18% drop in the last trading session. Lucid did drop over 18% and is down again on after hours. Now, in relation to Lucid, as I've mentioned, my price target is somewhere between the $25 to $30 range, where I will start nibbling in just to see how those delivery numbers go for end of this year, as well as the beginning of next year. Now, my understanding from what I've seen in relation to the market movement with the Nasdaq 100 and the S&P 500, Nasdaq 100 on the yearly seems to be forming a head and shoulders pattern, which is a very bearish signal. And it's now starting to seem like there is a bit of weakness in the Nasdaq 100. Coming forward, or looking forward, I should say, I'm expecting a further drop in the Nasdaq 100 in the coming weeks, which kind of puts me off a little bit because I was expecting a Santa Claus rally. Now, my take on it is that the Santa Claus rally potentially came a bit early earlier this week and is now seeing a massive sell-off, but we'll have to wait and see what happens with that. With the S&P 500, what I've noticed is it's continuously bouncing off that 4,500 mark, and it seems to have bounced and being rejected once more, and it looks like it's heading lower. Now, again, I'm seeing a very bearish outlook on the S&P 500 as well. But again, time will tell. Currently, I have sold out. I've got about 20% in cash, 80% in shares. Now, in relation to Bitcoin, Bitcoin has me a bit worried. It, again, got rejected off that $50,000 mark, which had become the resistance a few days ago when it broke down. Now, it seems to be, the volume seems to be dropping off, and at the same time, it's now 47,200 from when I last checked. Now, again, I will be monitoring that $40,000 range and have my stop loss there. And we'll just have to wait and see what happens with it. With crypto, I'm not sure if the bear market has started yet or if it's just another shakeout before a final blow off top. But in relation to crypto, I'm just watching the technicals, watching some key levels. I'm not going overly bearish or bullish on it at this point in time. Once it determines whether it's gonna crack the 50, go higher, or hit the 40 and go lower is when I'll be making some big moves on crypto. In relation to my cash position, as I mentioned, I'm 20% cash. I'm currently watching a few stocks like Lucid. Between that $25 to $30 range is when I'll start nibbling. Nio, I've once again topped up last night and holding for Nio Day because I still think that very bullish sentiment will come in for Nio coming up to Nio Day, as well as a push on Nio Day with the hype and positive news. Hopefully we get a smaller sedan, which will be another competition for Tesla, as well as some other announcements of what they're currently working on. That's all I've got for today. I will see you tomorrow. Stay safe, stay vigilant, and be nimble.